Cardiac output by KayScience.com. The equation you need to remember is cardiac output equals stroke volume times heart rate, whereby stroke volume is the volume of blood that the left ventricle pumps every beat. As you can see here, this is the volume of blood that the left ventricle pumps every beat. And the unit is liters per beat. Remember, liters per beat. So heart rate is simply the number of heartbeats per minute. So that is number of heartbeats per minute. That is your heart rate. So your cardiac output is if you multiply your stroke volume by your heart rate, that will give you your cardiac output. Your cardiac output is the volume of blood pumped from your left ventricle every minute. That is every minute, not every beat, because that would be stroke volume. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. You must remember this equation for your exam. Cardiac output equals stroke volume times heart rate. We're now going to calculate this person's cardiac output at rest. So their stroke volume is 70 milliliters per beat. Their heart rate is 60 beats per minute. That's 60 beats per minute. This person's cardiac output is what we're going to figure out now. The stroke volume of this person is 70 mil. So this is 70 milliliters. Remember, stroke volume is calculated in liters, so you must convert milliliters to liters. And by doing that, you must divide 70 milliliters by 1,000. This gives you 0.07 liters. You then multiply that by the heart rate, which is 60 beats per minute. This gives you a cardiac output of 4.2 liters per minute is pumped out of the left ventricle. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So this person here was at rest, but now they exercise and they're going to build up a sweat. This is their data from rest, so their stroke volume, heart rate, and cardiac output at rest that we worked out previously. So their stroke volume doesn't change, it's still 70 milliliters per beat. But now because they exercise, their heart rate will increase, and in this case, their heart rate is increased to 85 beats per minute. So now let's calculate their cardiac output. So remember, stroke volume is in liters per beat, but we've got milliliters per beat here. So you must convert 70 milliliters to liters, which is going to be 0.07 liters per beat. Multiply that by the heart rate, which is 85 beats per minute. So it's 0.07 times 85 beats per minute. This then gives you a cardiac output of 5.95 liters per minute. So at rest, it was 4.2 liters per minute, and then at exercise, it went up to 5.95 liters per minute. But why does exercise increase cardiac output? Well, if you exercise, your cells need an increased rate of respiration. Therefore, they need an increased supply of oxygen and glucose to the respiring cells. Therefore, respiring cells need an increased blood supply, so that means heart rate has to increase the blood supply to respiring cells. Pause the video to calculate the heart rate of this person using their cardiac output and stroke volume. The answers will follow. So to work out heart rate using the equation, you cover heart rate, which gives you heart rate equals cardiac output divided by stroke volume. So I've given you cardiac output in milliliters, but I've given you stroke volume in litres. So you must convert one of them. So you convert cardiac output into litres, so it's going to be 4,200 millilitres divided by 1,000. That will give you 4.2 litres per minute. So you divide the cardiac output by the stroke volume. So you divide 4.2 divided by 0.065 litres per beat. And in this example, we'll give you a heart rate of 64.6 beats per minute. So just round it up to 65 beats per minute. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.